Like a super absorbent sponge, during the rainy season, the park's grounds are capable of soaking up in excess of 128,000 cubic meters of stormwater.
Good afternoon. I'm here at the new Benjakitti Park again, and I promised that I would give updates, and I wasn't expecting that the construction of this park was gonna go so fast, and it's just amazing how quick everything is gonna get ready. The thing is that for the next 30 days there's not going to be any construction because they are not allowed to build in Bangkok at the moment because of the COVID restrictions. So let me show you a few parts of the park. Yeah, so this is the main area. I have a nice drone shot of the park as well.
On the bottom of this shot you will see the lake of the original Benjakitti Park. The structures that you see on the left are the buildings of the original tobacco factory. These halls will be used in the future for events and sports. The original Benjakitti Park opened in 1994, and on the right side of this shot you'll see the new park which opened in 2016. Like a super absorbent sponge, during the rainy season, the park's grounds are capable of soaking up in excess of 128,000 cubic meters of stormwater.
It's gonna be a lovely, beautiful park. I think this is a bicycle path on top here. See a lot of vegetation, and there's like a kind of arena or auditorium. Yeah, we live around the corner from this park, so I can't wait for this to open and to be able to properly use it. But it's already really cool to have a check. As you can see, from every part in the park you have a good view of the city. So yeah, this is truly a city park. It's about 2 o'clock, it's Saturday afternoon. You can hear already a lot of birds and animals making noises here. We have a little bit of shade, but just a little bit. Yeah, so I guess because of the building restrictions, the opening of this park will be at least 1 month later. I think the idea was to open it already this year, and if I see the progress that's been made, I mean, it might be possible, huh? So I made some drone footage as well, so you can see how the park looks from the air. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the new Benjakitti Park. If you did, feel free to subscribe. You can leave a comment, and see you guys in my next video.